Today we have another iron. It is JSW. That is a brand of the iron, and that is the model right there, model number, and it shows the voltage and the power. Alright, so the person told me that this is what happened to the card, right? So we're going to check it same way, because based on how it looks, it is not shorting out, but we're going to check it to see what happened to it. So before we make any assumption, I'm going to put my meter on ohms. Meter is working. One lead here, one lead right here. Don't let them touch. Turn the dial. Nothing. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we are going to remove this. We're going to show you exactly what I'm saying. I'm going to remove this screw on the back, and then we're going to check. Alright, so we're going to put the screwdriver here, terminal screwdriver, remove the screw, as you can see, and then lift the back. Hold on. Alright, so I had to prise it from the back here and push it off. It was giving me a little problem. Alright, here are the leads right here. So we're going to stick the meter in here and turn the knob and see if we get a reading. Alright, so put the meter back on ohms. Check the meter once more. Alright, stick it there, stick it there. Still nothing. Alright, so I'm going to try and make a proper connection here. Alright, nothing. Same way. Turn the knob. Nothing. So that means to tell me that there's a problem further into the iron. So I'll have to disassemble the iron in order to find out what is the problem. Alright, so in order to go into this iron, you have to remove this screw right here, and 2 screw right here. Remove the dial from here, and also remove this knob. I'm going to show you what I'm talking. So you take the flathead terminal screwdriver, prise it up, take your time like that, and right down there is a screw. So once you remove those, you take off the cap, and then we'll go further. So alright, so as you see, I prise it off and take off this cover. Now I have exposed a lot of screw. 1, 2, 3, 4. So once I remove these 4 screw right here, this white piece can comes off. But before I remove this white piece, I have to remove this dial first. Alright, so now I'm going to prise this up, remove the knob. Alright, this metal piece here, remove that. Let me show you exactly this. Metal piece brush against this groove right here, so that is why you hear the clicking sound, just like this. Yeah, and then if you see right there, we have 2 screw right here, one here, one over there. Remove this black piece. Alright, this red knob here, can remove it. So now we're going to remove the 4 screws. Alright, 4 screws. And that comes right off. Alright, so what I normally do sometimes, I put back the screws in where they comes from, That way I won't lose them, or I know exactly where they come from. Alright, so now I'm going to remove 1, 2, 3 screws from here. Remove this one as well, remove this one as well, and then this piece can come right off. Okay, hold on, I forgot to disconnect this right around here. Remove the card, put the screw right here. Alright, the indicator bulb, remove that as well, and everything go one side. So now we leave with 3 screws down the bottom here. So we're going to remove them. Hold on. Alright, so there's 3 screws removed, and I noticed this wire burnt off. Alright, so we're going to see what took place. Alright, we're going to see what took place in this iron. These are the spacers, very crucial. You can see a burnt ear right here, and if you notice, the wire has burned from here. Alright, so we're going to check the thermostat. Alright, we're going to check that. Put the meter on ohms. Hold on. Alright. Alright. There we go. We're going to check here. Alright, the thermostat is working. Alright, check element now. 1 point here. Element is working. The thermal fuse, one leg is right here and the other leg is right here. So I'm going to check that, see if I can bring it up properly. Alright, so my hand is on this blue wire here and I come right here. Alright, so the thermal fuse is good. Alright, but we have an issue right here. Right, this resistor right here is defective. We'll have to cut it and see what problem it has due to right here. Alright, I cut this and find out there's no damage here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use electric tape and tape it. Alright, I'm going to use electric tape now and tape the area. It's just that. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use, I took this from another iron, so I'm going to remove this screw here to remove this connector here and change this wire. So this will be replacing this. I do have a longer one, but better than nothing. So I'm going to remove it. Right now, as you can see, remove this, oops, and then we're going to replace with this. Alright, so See it? It has been installed. So now we're going to get rid of the power cable. As we showed you before, the damage. So we're going to change that. So in order to do that, I'm just going to clip off this blue leg. Alright. And clip this. Alright. So we're going to change it with this one. Alright, so we're putting back the iron together now. Alright, so I'm going to install this now on it and let you see. Alright, so it is finished. Put on the base. I don't have to change the resistor, as I said before. It was just the insulation that was damaged, so I just I use electrical tape and wrap that area. Alright, so now I'm going to install the water tank section now. Alright, now this part is very tricky, so I'm going to remove the screw that I put back here. Alright, this one is very tricky, guys, so I have to install the white piece first. First I'm going to install the light. Install the light like that. Alright, hold on. Alright, so what happened that I have to tape up this end because it is short than the blue card here. It is giving me a problem to fit the water tank, so I have to make the connection here. Alright, so now I'm going to install the water tank. So I'm going to put on the light now. Hold on, I'll see if I can adjust the GoPro. Yeah, so do that. And then now install this piece now. Alright, you see. So now install it. Alright. So you see what I'm talking about, guys? That piece down there is short, so I want to get the connection, so I have to make the connection before I install this piece. Alright, so now I'm going to screw up that right here, one screw there. Alright, alright, so I'm gonna install this piece now. Alright, so I'm going to remove these screws that I had put in. Remove them. Alright, so now this piece here goes right there. Alright, so now I can put back the screws. One screw there. The other screw here. One's supposed to go right here. another one go right here. Alright. Alright, that fix in place. And then now the other two screw now come right here. That's one. Alright. Then now put on what this rubber seal right here. Then we put on this trigger. Alright, hold on. Alright, so that's properly installed. Then one screw come right here. Fix that in place. This one now comes right here. Remove this screw. Install this there. Alright, that fixed. Now we are going to put this, show you exactly what I'm talking. This metal piece here, we're going to set it right here, back in the groove. Then this knob will be going right in there. And the dial now will fit like that. Alright, then now the cover now. Fix the rubber, and then now everything should line up. Hold on. Alright, so that's his fixed properly. Now install the last screw here. Alright, then now that cover. Now the back of this. Alright, and then now we install this screw right there. Alright, and now we're going to check it with the meter. Alright, so the meter is there. Meter is working. One lead here, one lead. Meter is working. Off, on. Alright, so now we're going to plug it in and test it. Alright, Alright, so the iron has been plugged in. Turn it on. Iron is hot. Alright, as you can see, indicator light is there. Alright, if you can hear the sound of it. See, iron is fixed. So let me know in the comment section down below what you think of this fix, and if you do like this video, please like, share, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Alright,